So I'm in the car heading home, but I thought I'd show you some really cool features that this car has, like that little mini car. I don't know what the purpose of it is for, but it shows me a little car. I haven't yet to figure it out. Look, I have gone 315 miles on this gas tank, and I still have about a half a tank left. And if you can look real closely, it says I have 233 miles left on this thing. And it also says it's 90 degrees outside. So, you get these cool little buttons here. Turn on the radio, turn off the radio. Change the source of the radio, volume. And then this little button, this little square button, changes the panel up here. So you can see miles per gallon, how many miles I've driven, average speed. And then I can change it again. It tells you what station or CD or whatever you're playing. Right now the radio's off. Then it tells me my tire pressure, my average miles per gallon, my warnings if I have any, and then this is the little thing. Yeah, I still haven't figured out what all these things mean, but I can change the color of that little car to any color I want. The little car I showed you earlier. And then I head back, and there's the little car again. Pretty nifty. I think the coolest thing though is my start-stop button. My car is very, very, very polite. Watch. Watch what it does when I turn it off. It tells me goodbye. And then, when I turn it back on, my little car shows up. And sometimes if you just turn it on, the auxiliary part, it'll just tell you hello or welcome. Forget what it does. And on this side is my Bluetooth controls, so I'm hands-free when I call. I do have cruise control, which is totally, totally awesome. I love it. There's the CD and the air conditioning very well does work. It gets ice cold. And don't ever touch any of those knobs because, like I said, it's hands-free stereo. Got two cup holders in the front, little console holder, little storage down here. You got storage seats up in the front. Got my first aid kit. And then you got a second part of it. Coupons. You got cup holders on the door. You got back seat. The middle comes down and there's two more cup holders. And you got a shoulder belt for the middle seat, which is good for when we have all the kids. Sunglasses holder. My lights. Different lights. Haven't figured out what that button's for yet. And tells me about the passenger airbag. It says it's off, so we gotta figure out how to turn it back on. I don't know how that's gonna work. Nifty doorknob controls. Power windows. There's all my little buttons to pop the trunk and all that. So that's about it. Pretty roomy. So yes, I have a square drink and a round cup holder. Well, that's about it. Well, I can show you some more cool features later when it gets dark out. Like how the whole car lights up when you turn it off at night. It's really cool. So, yep, that's my car. So, that's about it. Just wanted to show it off. Alrighty. Everybody have a good day. Bye.